is my usual bike ride scenery. I take this trip about around 100 times a year, actually, right up this beautiful road. And all along here are apple trees that are at their peak ripeness in the middle of October usually. And there's tons of apple trees in here, just delicious organic apples. And they're a little different than your normal store-bought apples, but they have subtleties and flavors. They're wild, so no GOMO. And we're just beyond the fairly sizable river. I don't know how to measure rivers, but we go by it. What our river situation looks like. What do you guys say? Yeah, so another beautiful day in Lake Linden, Michigan. Far north, baby.